Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome, welcome. How's everybody doing? How is everyone doing? Welcome back. New week, new session, new price action, new candles, new money, new profits, new payouts. How is everyone doing? And it looks like pretty solid setup is setup is coming. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey Jane, hey FX, hey Dinah, Imran, hey, welcome back, guys. It looks like a solid setup is coming. Be ready. Right on time. Let everybody come in and then, yeah, I think before that, on the flip of this hourly, be ready. Esther, hey, good morning, FX. Good morning. Is Esther? Did I say it right? Esther? Yes, Esther. Okay. Hey, Fancy Pants. How are you? Yeah, right now, all we need to do is see uh I mean, this is just the beginning of the week. As I mentioned yesterday, that we have this week CPIs and PPIs coming in, so strong economic data for this week. But that starts from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, it's gonna be a little bit chill. But usually, what I see whenever there's a new week open, uh, like the first Asian session uh, for the new week, we see some volatility. So let's see if there is something, if this hourly touch this and then starts flipping. So for example, if this starts flipping and breaking its lows, we're going to place the stops at these highs and look for some sell side towards 4355 zone. Okay, but it needs to flip and then push down. It might be this candle, it might be the next candle. But if let's say it starts pushing up, giving a closure above, then yes, we're going to look for the buy side. Because if you look at the daily candle, that is clearly showing some indication for the upside as well. Okay, so the higher time frame, they are giving us direction towards upside. But again, we're gonna move session to session, so this session might be a push down, because daily or 4 hour might come down, create some lower wick, and then maybe rest of the session, or maybe in London session or NY session, we can expect another push towards upside. Okay, because that NFP data, that was horrible, and it will supposedly push the price all the way towards upside. Any questions? I can't see range. Can you see now, Imran? Assalamu alaikum. Hey Maria, how are you? How are you doing? I'm good, good, good. Yeah, do you have any questions about the account? I see you asked some questions in the chat, in the Discord. How are you? I'm good, I'm good. I'm perfect. Hmm. Just enjoying the slow market. Waiting for maybe the flip of this current hourly. If it gives, yes, we can look for some sell side. Otherwise, if it starts pushing up, give a closure above this zone, then yes, we're gonna look for some buy side. So now all we have to do is just wait, sit tight, have some chit chat, have some love, roast these freeloaders, these IFVGs traders in the chat. Yeah, I will go. Yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah, pray for me as well. Anybody take any trade? Najib, God bless you. So thank you. God bless you too. Anybody took any entry yet? Any buy, sell, something or no? Because price is basically just ranging since it's open. So NQ is also pushing up. Okay, DXY ranging. Bitcoin is ranging. Oil is nothing. Yeah, it's gonna be a chill session. Maybe. Let's see. Some chill session. And it's good, it's taking its time. If it respecting this zone, and then on the flip of that, that's going to be some solid cells at that point. But we need to wait for that. Okay, all we have to do is just wait. That's it. Have some patience. Hello Armil. Hello. Hey, hola. Hola Kitty. Hola, hola. How are you? Meow. Meow. My guardian is here. What's up, guardian? Yeah, I try to become your guardian, but I don't know how, like how you do it. I just fill up the gallery and maybe I thought, hey Ari, what's up? Mr. Sparks. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. You're late, Spark. You're late. You are late. So far, nothing is happening. Price is just ranging. Daily is flipping. Yeah, overall, the trend is still very, very bullish, I would say. But maybe during the Asian session, it flip, come down, and then maybe rest of the session, maybe London, New York, we can see continuation upside. But if this hourly or like a nice time frame gives us a closure above this zone, we can look for some buy side as well. So today it's like more waiting because the market is slow. And guys, make sure you fill up the heart me. Uh, that's the first thing you should do whenever you join. Send the heart me, okay? Yeah, thank you, thank you. Okay, 15 is about to close above here. How was your weekend, guys? Spark, Kitty, Ari, Imran, Maria, what you guys do? So right now we're waiting for this point, okay? So if the price starts dropping or flipping, that would be a nice, nice, nice sell side. So I'm waiting for this flip. because at that point it's gonna break the session lows, it's gonna break the daily lows, and the price gonna more likely it's gonna continue push down. And we have nice, I would say, 100 ticks, might be 200 ticks if we get lucky tonight, but at least yeah, we can expect from here, from this drop to here, and more like 4355 zone. All right, but that depends on the volume, cannot force anything tonight. Monday, Tuesdays, just try to flip the days. Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays, that's going to be some good with the CPIs and PPIs. Last CPI and PPI, we did very, very great. But last NFP, what happened that the gold give just one push up, and after that, usually what happened whenever most of the time, uh, when you trade NFPs and all these high impact news, we see the continuation. So for example, this was, you see this big wick and this candle push up. So this was the NFP candle, NFP candle. So usually what happened whenever this high impact news happen, what I see the continuation. So price reject or give a retracement, and then rest of the session again after maybe like 30 minutes, 1 hour, we see so many times that the price gives a continuation towards upside. But this one, it was, it just push up one time, that's it. Give a retracement, then starts range. That was it. That was the NFP. But the previous CPI, we, I remember we did very, very great because that was the one-sided news, and we take I think we take a buy or sell side, and the price keep continue pushing around 3 to 400 ticks, I would say. Yeah. So yes, this might be also a good one. Let's see. Hey baller, what's up? TBD's friend, where's TBD? Baller, is he still alive? Our price is still respecting, not pushing up. More likely, if it's still respecting these previous highs and previous hourlies and then flip, yes, I'm expecting some drop for this session. Let's see. Only if this hourly flip. Other than that, no, I'm not looking for anything else yet. Okay. Hello everyone. Hey, all that's up. Now you're here. Now everything is gonna add up. Drake. Assalamu alaikum. Atif Nawaz. Wa alaikum salam. Okay, baby Drake. Baby Drake. Do I look like a baby? Not anymore. Kitty said, all I need is 15 minutes to grow back my beard. Price will start to add up soon. Yeah. Yeah, once this 30 is about to close in 5 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, I think tonight I'm gonna wait for this hourly and 4 hour it would be much better. That would be a decent time frame. Guys, if you're new here, make sure you hit follow. We have free Discord community in if you wanna join. Happy. Okay, price is rejecting around 4400 now still. So guys, what you think? Is it gonna drop or is it gonna keep continue pushing it up? This question is, first of all, this question is for all the VIPs first. I want to know where you are, and then all the freeloaders can answer as well. Okay. Hawk saying drop. Okay. Who else? Hmm. Looks like it's trying to flip now. Let's see. Depend how 1 hour candle closes. Okay, Mr. Naqshband. Okay, okay. Drop. Okay. All right. Rizwana is saying drop. Hmm. So, what do you think, Imran? Spark, Kitty, and from YouTube, if anybody wants to. Okay, Imran is saying drop as well. Jin is saying drop. Okay, Longji is saying drop as well. If it closes below the last bearish candle. Okay, Mr. AYS. Higher price from 4317. What you mean high price? What are you trying to say here? Okay, 30 is about to close. The 30 looks like it's rejecting that place. Mm. 15 is pushing down, 5 is pushing down, 4 hour is down, daily is down. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Should I open the quantum, my quantum indicator, or no? If you want to see the quantum indicator, let me know. Yes. Hello. Hey, Mark. What's up? What's up? Yeah, quantum indicator, it's also telling me some cells. I'm not sure if Trucker Trader is here. He is the developer for this quantum indicator. So yeah, it looks like the flip is coming very, very soon. Let's Philippines. Philippines. Who's here from Philippines? Who is here from Philippines? Okay, okay. Let's get ready for some. Not yet. Wait for the flip. We're gonna place the stops at these highs. The you can place at the current hourly highs, but I'm like to be little bit more secure for this position. Okay. So it's up to you wherever you wanna place it. So once this hourly flip, we can expect something towards downside because 30, okay, pushing down, 15 the same thing, 4 hours same thing, hourly, yeah, once it starts breaking this previous hourly, we can look for something. Is the Discord free? Yes. I'm from Cameroon. Okay, Cameroon. Looks like the hourly is about to flip, and indicator, my quantum indicator is also telling, the cells are coming. Get ready. Okay, ready. Hamza, Hamza, Hamza. Yeah. Fasten your seatbelt, guys. How many of you wanna be on this roller coaster? Again, this is not a financial advice. This is only for educational and entertainment purpose only. You must trade at your own risk. Okay? The sport you're playing here, it's very risky. So you need to be careful. Very, very careful. And here is the flip is about to come. About to come. It didn't come, but it's about to come. I wish today I get some profit. Hmm. It doesn't matter how much you wish, it doesn't matter how you feel, it doesn't matter what's your plans or goals. The market is going to do the same thing, which is blowing accounts. Tighten my belt, yes. Tighten your belt, guys. Tighten your belt. And instead of belt, tighten your shorts. So once this roller coaster drop, you need to tighten your shorts. अपने नाले नूले बांध लो. Shorts, yes, short, 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 short. Go, go, go. 24 minutes for this hourly closure as well. So keep an eye on that. And this is the time period where we can expect from 1 hour to 2 hours the most amount of volume for this session. Okay, so trade safe and be ready. The flip is on the way. Yeah, let's see. Mm-hmm. That was going out of hand, so I need to change it. Hey, hey, hey. At least with this, most of people they don't understand what they're saying, you know. Would would the support to the left not matter? What support are you talking about? This one? Last TRK, are you talking about this spot or you I have to see more left? Where are you, what are you talking about? Okay, this one. Yes, it do matter. Yes, it do matter. But you also need to see that at what time we're taking the trade, because most of the time you see, okay, you're only seeing here just one spot, but you also see whenever the price touching it's rejecting, or you see all the wicks at the top, you see this, and you can also see the current candle wick as well. So whenever you you see the price go touch, reject, 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 there is something which is stopping the price not going up. And it is the more it will bounce, 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 the bigger it will drop, right? And yes, this sport, it's not that much. I mean, it's just the one point. If there are the multiple points, so let's say if the price again touch this and then push up and give a closure above 4400s, then yes, we can say okay, officially the price can go continue push up, which I'm expecting maybe in London or New York session. But before that, it will give, I think, one drop and then maybe upside. So that's why I'm looking for the cells if this flip, or let's say even if it did I mean, if it flip before, I mean, like when it's like 5-10 minutes closing, then I'm not gonna take it. Of course, it's still like 20 minutes. So I think we need to wait for this closure. If this close something like this, right, with the big wick and this candle, then we need to wait for the another one and then take it. So whenever you see the bigger the range, the I mean the longer the price range at one point, the bigger the breakouts can happen. But all we have to do is just wait for that volume, that time, the exact time to take this entry. Okay. The reason why now, there's only very small windows in the market where you can expect most amount of time. And I see the strategy which we trade, it really works well during the high volume time. It didn't work when the price is ranging and not moving and just stuck in this trade. And trust me, you don't want to take any trade when the price is just ranging. Why? Because you're just gonna stuck there for hours. You see, if okay, this was the uh, I would say New York session. If let's say this is whole Asian session, what you gonna do? You're gonna buy here, okay, yeah, sell here, okay, now you're here, here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 hours hourly candles. Now you're stuck in the trade for 7 hours and 8 hours, and then you're gonna see your scalping switch to the swing trading or a day trading, or you take a day trade, or you be in the trade for like maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour, max 2 hours. Now it switched to, oh, I'm gonna hold this trade until it gives something, you know. Thank you, boss. No worries, man. Yeah, ask questions, guys. Ask decent, nice questions. Like I really like the question Mr. TRK asked about this for the previous one. So don't ask dumb questions. Oh, should I buy? Should I re-enter? Should I sell? No, ask questions. Okay, what are you looking at the market? Why you taking the sells? What are your, you know? Try to learn here. Don't try to teach me because you can beat me. Hey, break in. Break in, you're late. Break in the blocker. Right now, guys, nothing is happening. Okay. Price can still again reject this. I mean, respect this zone and start pushing it up. Again, the higher time frame, the dailies, once it flips again, there is very, very high possibility because the dailies and weeklies are still in bullish momentum. Okay, unless today's, let's say this Monday's daily close bearish, then we're like, okay, now it can retrace back down. But overall, still there is high possibility that maybe during London session or NY session, the price can push towards upside. So we need to be very, very patient here for waiting for this setup. Where's Kitty? She's gone. I was here, I text twice, you just didn't see. No, man. How is this possible, Breaking? Come on. How we can draw the zones? You want to know how you can draw the lines technical wise, or you want to learn the logic behind how you can draw this? Please explain. Miracle. I want to learn. Okay. So, how long have you been coming here? 2 weeks. Okay. So you've been coming here for 2 weeks. So you have decent time. Are you in the free Discord as well? So it's I mean, it's not tough. It will literally take you maybe like I would say 2 3 weeks to understand complete uh complete logic behind how you can draw the same zones. So all you have to do is you can look the back on the left side, and you need to align the low time frames with the high time frames. That's it. It's not tough. It's very easy. Brother, do you teach as well? Yes. Hourly is about to flip, but you guys, you also need to see what time it's flipping. The 14 in 14 minutes is about to close. So the closure, it will get to close the candle, so the time is getting lower. So right now it's 14. When it's 10 minutes, 5 minutes, the harder it will be to for us to take the setup. I mean, it's going to be more, I would say, difficult and risky as well. How long is the course? Tina, I I don't really have the course videos because that's you're not gonna learn anything. So we teach live in the real market. So the real market, the real executions, the real trades. So everything is going to be real. It's I do have like the strategy videos, recorded videos, but course videos, I mean, it can help you, but most of the time it won't, because those are all the best scenarios. Like I can make up the best of the best scenarios and give it to you. And sometimes most of the time market go to the other way, and you don't know how to handle those things. So what we do, like we trade live during New York session, and that's basically our learning, our coaching, our grouping, like all those things we do there, you know, because that's very easy. Like I can literally make like it will take me like maybe 1 2 days. I'm gonna make the course videos and just gonna sell you that. And I know most of people they're gonna purchase it, but to be honest, you guys not gonna learn anything from that. The execution and the things you're gonna learn during the live, and that's a big difference. Best to learn live, yeah, exactly. Okay, this hourly is about to flip, but because when we do live, it will also tell you exactly what we are thinking, what we're looking for, what like, okay, you will learn the strategy, but you don't know how to handle like the losses, how you can take those partials, what time you need to take it, because every other day the market literally changes its momentum. Sometimes yes, it's push up, like I was giving this example for this NFP. Most of the time what happened when market gives these big moves during the NFP, what we see the continuation rest of the session. But the previous NFP, that wasn't the scenario. Price push up, just give a big push in, let's say, 1 minute. After that it drop, and that's it. It's just ranging. So if you just learn by watching one video, no, it's not gonna happen. Okay. Yeah, gold is moving slow, so let's play something chill. Now, even though if this hourly flip, this is going to be more riskier. Why? Because there are some times where you need to see, okay, can I take this flip now, or should I wait for the next one? Because in 11 minutes, even if this flip, there is high chances that the price is gonna maybe close here, the next one then gonna go up, and now you're in a big drawdown. It might just keep continue push down, who knows, but we need to see the most possibility in the market. So yeah, I might gonna take it, I might not. Do you see gold to the 5700? Yes, end of the year. So if you want to see that break in, what you need to do is go to the monthly. Okay, so you see current monthly candle, just look at the current monthly candle. If this monthly candle gives a nice closure above here and here, then yes, we're officially back to that bullish run. End of the year, that's crazy. No, for gold nothing is crazy. All it needs just one news about, okay, there's a conflict, there's a war started, something like that. You're gonna see in few days, man. It's just one excuse away from flying all the way up. How I can learn from you, bro? So if you're coming here for a while and you learn it, you can get to our premium group, our VIP group. Okay, we trade live during the New York session. That's more like a Zoom session. Everybody hop on the call and like they can ask about the strategy and all that. But you can also learn here for free in the Asian session, right? You can come here free, ask questions, join the free Discord. But again, the free is the free. And if you join the premium, then you will basically double your progress, because then you will be taking two sessions with us instead of one, and you have more accessible uh, like communication. Is it free, Habibi? Yes, everything is free. It looks like it's going to close doji, and then it's a wait time. Mhm. Should we do some giveaway tonight? Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. That will be great. What will be great? The giveaway. Okay. Giveaway. Lalchi awam, lalchi. Okay, 4 more minutes. Yeah, even though if it flips, it make no sense to take this cells right now or these shorts, the beautiful shorts. Okay, so I think it's better to wait for the next hour now. Anybody getting into these cells? Because it's about to close in 3 minutes, so nah, it's going to be more risky. Okay, Mark is saying not me. Ketranova, me? Why are you getting in? And Daniel, you're also getting into the cells? Man, it's about to close in 2 minutes. It's going to be risky. It's going to be risky. Hey, super sunset. Super sunset. Thank, thank you. Okay, is it coming to the gallery? My guardian is here. Guardian. Hey, thank you, thank you. Yeah, guys, let's do then giveaway. Okay, wait. Let's wait next 5-10 minutes because this is the most volume time in the market, and then we're gonna do some game. Gallery is full. Okay, all right, all right. Thank you, Kitty. Much appreciated. When can I enter? Hmm. Whenever you feel like it, my friend. Why you asking me? Yeah, you already filled it. Thank you. Enter at the shorts. Yes, Baller, yes. All right, new hourly just open. I mean, at this point, no, it's gonna risky though. It's breaking the laws, but no, not yet. It needs to create some top wick and then drop. Then I would be happy to take those cells, but not yet. Hello, how are you, sir? Hey, K. Long time no see. Where have you been? Where have you been? Yeah, I think K is here for the giveaway. As soon as I say about the giveaway, is today giveaway. Look, Mr. K, you as well. Yes, there is going to be giveaway. We're gonna start very soon. I've been busy with my new apartment. You're probably banking, K. She's like, I'm gonna buy a new apartment. I'm done with this property. Let me get another one. I get so many payouts. Okay, so this is the reason why we didn't take the cells. Now, if the price flip again or break this lows, that is going to be the valid sell point. Okay, so now we can say that if the price push down again, flip again, then we can take those cells. I actually did. Okay, all right. And if the price gives a closure above the zone, then no more sells. Then we're gonna look for some buys above here. Okay, simple, easy. Make trading easy. Don't um, don't run behind like every single move. Just wait for it. That's it. That's all you need to do in trading. You will automatically see your profitability in days. I wouldn't say in months or years, in days. All you have to do is just wait for those setups. Max take like maybe one or two good setups per session. That's it. Yes, some sessions you're gonna lose, some sessions you're gonna win, but also keep this in mind. No position in the market is also your position, because you're just waiting and you're waiting for your setup. That's it. That's all you have to do. But if you watch all these other traders like who taking trades in lower time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, yes, they're gonna find a lot of entries, a lot of opportunities, but that also comes with the risk of blowing those accounts. And then you have to reset again, reset again, reset again. And I think most of you are not in that position where you can keep purchasing those accounts, you know, like you don't have that much capital, I would say, or not enough savings or not enough money. That's why you're trying. And man, I know the first account, the second account, these are the hardest to pass. But if you keep try to do that, if you keep try to push that limit, 1 minute, 5 minute, like try to take like multiple trades, it's really going to mess up your mind. And in the end, you know what you're going to say? Oh, it's a gamble, it's this, it's that, because you didn't wait. Okay, now it's flipping. Now there is high chances that the price can drop. You can place the stops at this current hourly and look for some sell side. Okay, I am wait, let me see the low time frame. Yeah, yeah, let's get into the sell side. I'm getting into some sells. Let's see on the flip of this, because this is the last point where the price can literally drop. If it flip and then starts pushing up, then we don't want to be in this. But the risk to reward ratio looks good, the trade execution looks good. Okay, and the price is also dropping nice and smooth. And just like that, how much we're up? Around 30-40 ticks. Okay, yeah, it looks like the further drop can happen. See, all you have to do is just wait for that setup. That's it. That's it. Trading is easy, guys. Just make it easy. Don't follow all these random stupid kids and expect to become a profitable. Just wait for you that perfect entry. Now you see the price literally drop around 50-60 ticks. What you need to do here, just put your stops at break even and do it risk free. That's it. Now it will depends on the market. Either it gives you 100 ticks, 200 ticks, 500 ticks, or it take you out at the break even, right? And once you do the break even, please try to take some partials out of your position in case the price take you out. um, at break even, you don't feel bad. You don't feel like, oh man, why I didn't book anything. So the strategy, it will take you uh, to learn this not that much long. The only thing is like how you can manage all these things. So the quantum indicator, it's clearly giving some nice indications for further drop though. And just like this, around about 100 ticks, which we're expecting how much? Let's see. From entry to here, 80 ticks, just like that. Can I see some W's in the chat now? Guys, the exact entry point, exact drop, exact execution without getting into any drawdown. This is the dream for a trader, not to see that drawdown and just to see the profits. FX is the legend. Yes, Imran. And you know what's the good thing about the risk free? You don't have to worry about anything now. If the price drop 100 ticks, okay. 200 ticks, okay. If you take you out at break even, all right, it's fine. If you take me out at break even, no worries, market. I can also take that trade again. Like I can find those setups again. Hey, thanks for the head. Thank you, thank you. So make trading easy, guys. Make trading easy. You don't have to stress, you don't have to sweat, you don't have to, feel your heartbeat. Oh my god. Because even if you get out at BE, you should have confident in yourself or in your strategy that okay, even if I miss it, even if I didn't take anything, I can catch this move over and over again. Okay, so now you see we take this entry and you take some partials around here and the price come up, it take you out. Now what? Now you need to, you shouldn't enter right away. Oh, it take me out, I'm gonna get back in right now because it's gonna drop. Yes, it will drop, but the other thing is you also can wait for the next move, right? That's why I say 1 2 good trades per session. That's all you need. You don't need to take like all these random setups in 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes. It's so much hassle. But if you take 1 2 good setups, man, in days, I'm telling you, in days you're gonna see a lot of big change in you. Because number one thing, what's gonna happen, you're gonna stop over trading. Number two thing, what's gonna happen, you're gonna stop over leveraging. Why? Because you're not losing, winning, losing, winning, losing, winning. No, you're going in a same pace. Okay, this is my time, this is time to take this trade. Okay, I'm up this, I'm taking my partials, I'm closing at BE, and you are more calm. Okay, so now you see we're risk free. We don't have to worry about anything. If market drop, oh well, we're gonna make more money. If it take us out, okay, no problem. We can find another opportunity and take that. So make it very, very simple. And the other thing you see here, we don't use any indicator. We don't use, all we do is just identifying the where the price can go for this session, and you can mark your zones and you see how the price is going to respect those zones. So now you see all these wicks, these are the big clear indication for the price, and it's breaking also this, which I think TRK TRY, what uh, he asked about this support zone. So if this hourly, I mean, you can also check on the lower time frame. Minimum I would go 15. If this gives a closure below this, most likely yes, we can see the drop. But if this hourly flip, and if the price gives a closure above 4400 right here, then there's more likely chances that the price is going to go up, which is the official trend for the price in the higher time frame. If you open the daily, if you open the weekly, if you open the monthly, that is showing you the move towards the upside. Thank you, FX. Hey, Mark, no worries, man. Wasted? Christopher, what you mean wasted? W's. W's, Mark W's. I think only Mark take the cells with me. Nobody else. So far, this flip gives us around 80-90 ticks. And I would say that's more than enough, guys. The market is just open. The week is just starting. We have London session, New York session, and the next 5 days to take these trades. So you have 15 more sessions. This is just one of them. W's, yes, stay tuned. W's. I I took it way before the second hour candle. Oh, you probably took here, I would say, right? Yeah. I mean, yes, like if you see in the lower time frame, the price is like rejecting this over and over again. Yes, you can take those risks, but make sure whenever you take those risks, you should take on the evals. Don't try to take those risks on your funded accounts. Only try to take trades on your funded account um, which are more I would say high likely good setups, like G plus setups we call them. Such a nice start of the week. Yes, Imran, such a nice start. What's up, AFX? Here is one. What's up? What is up? Good start. And it's even more fun when we do the risk free. So we don't have to worry about, oh, it's hitting the SL. Oh, my heartbeat is increasing. Oh, this, oh, that. You know? And the more exciting feeling when you take the execute it and it right away go to your direction. It didn't do any drama. It didn't just, range and try to hit take you out and then drop. Nothing like that. So this is a very ideal scenario. Any giveaway tonight? Yes. Guys, if you are new here, make sure you hit the follow button, okay? If you're new here, make sure you hit the follow, join the free Discord, enjoy these free trades, free setups. Yeah, and it can still drop. On Lucid what? Islamic, on Lucid what? By the way, let's do some giveaway as well tonight, okay? This is the beginning of the week, and I want somebody to won this account, so you know you have something to start with. So Kitty, how should we do it? Every time we do something, so is it going to be the AFX, what it say, that AFX tag on the TikTok? Because the Discord, that's the must thing. You should be in the Discord plus yeah, follow. Okay, whoever missed the first setup, they can look for something for this 15 flip, and that still might give you maybe like 130 ticks on the flip of this 15. Okay, only if you miss this first trade. So there you can basically trade. So this is the good thing about this strategy. You can either use on the 4 hour or 15 minutes, but you need to know small things about it, which are to identifying the trend, to know what's the market structure, where the market is going, uh, how you can mark the zones properly, because that's very, very important thing to focus on in this strategy, that your zones should be marked properly, otherwise you will take bad decisions on that. Okay, 15 is flipping, This is going to be your second trade. Go for towards 4 370s as well. Okay. Only if you miss the first setup, you can try this out the second one. But we are already in, so we're just enjoying the move. What is the strategy? This is AFX flip strategy. Mr. X, Dramebaz. Yes. What's up, Mr. Dramebaz? Why don't you come on the call? Then I will tell you who's Dramebaz. You wanna come on the call and tell me who's Dramebaz? You know, guys, it's very easy to just make a burner account and just comment garbage on random lives, right? Because it's clearly tell your upbringing and tell how much you're uh, yeah, wait, let let him come up on the call, and then if he have enough balls, let's see. Yo, Mr. Dramebaz, you wanna come on the call? Ignore them. Yeah, ignore them, I don't care. Hmm. Nice. Can you show how to take partials? I'm not sure how to do this. So, Singa, Singaji, how? Okay, I can show you how to take partials, but what platform you're trading on? Are you trading on TradeC, on Tradeovate, on Project X, on Trading View? Because all you have to do if you are in the cells, right? If you take, let's say, 10 contract sell side, uh, all you have to do is press buy. So let's say you want to close 3 out of 10, so you take the 10, you take your 10 contract sell here. Okay, you take 10 contract sell here at the flip of this hourly. Now you want to close 3 out of this, so you need to buy 3 contracts. So you sell 10. In futures, if you buy 3, it will close 3, and now you have 7 left. Same thing, if you want to close more, you can buy 5 more, and it will close those partials. So it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm on Trading View. If you're Trading View, same thing. On Trading View, in Tradeovate, Project X, all these platforms, they basically work the same way. Okay, so yeah, this is how you take your partials. Very easy. Guys, if you come here, come with respect. Yeah, Imran, these people are gandu. They're not gonna respect. Gandu kisko bola? Gandu. All right, the push is still coming, guys. It's gonna still drop. Kitty is dancing with a glass of wine. Mm. You see, there are some time windows where you can expect a lot of volume. then market starts like resting little bit and then starts pushing down. So that's why all this week, if you see, if you count the peak value for this hourly, that's almost 200 ticks. So this hourly candle basically push up like 100 ticks up, then flip, pushing down 100 ticks more. So now it's resting because when you're in the marathon or in a sprint race, so that's what happened. So the candle push up and then drop, and now it's resting right here. 74K likes, damn. I wasn't expecting that, guys. Good. All right. So let's do some giveaway, right? So how should we do? Okay. So this is going to be for the freeloaders. So I'm gonna add some names here. So, and how should I add names? My name, Rizwan. Sorry, you can enter. You cannot. You're making so much money. Okay, but okay, the entries were only count on the YouTube. So you need to message on the YouTube to take the uh, to take this entry here on this giveaway. Yeah, message guys. Whoever wants to join this giveaway, message on the YouTube chat because we're also live there. So whoever gonna message on the YouTube will be get a participation here. So of course I'm gonna be in this, or I can jump on the last one, but this is for the freeloaders, so it's fine. There's no fun. We'll see. With free, I always have more. Please add me. Yes, yes, I will, Rizwan. Don't worry. I was just kidding. Can I? Can you what, Mr. Hussein? Amir Mavia. All right. Amir. Okay, Amir Mavia is in. Don't write me or E. Just tell me your name. So Nicole. Okay, Nicole. Yes. Stay tuned. Right. Trading solution. Trading solution is here. Nimuri. Nimuri is here. Rocco. Okay, Rocco is here. Black Bart. Bart. Bubbly. Bubbly Jubbly is Alright, Bubbly Jubbly is here. Alright. Alright guys, I'm adding everybody here, okay? I'm adding everybody here. Try to add everyone. So and the price is still dropping, so enjoy that drop as well. Don't worry. The price is still gonna drop further. So enjoy your runner. Um Christine, gameplay. Guys, what is this name? Gameplay. Sami is here. Mm, add me please, baby Dre. All that's Maria, of course. Sing Singaj. Alright, Singaj, you're here. Okay. The 15 is just flipped and yes, still pushing down. Let's see. Sia Siabonga. Siabonga Jose is here. Okay. Mohammed Hassan Ari. Okay. Bestie Bestie. Alright, Bablu. Bablu is the winner. He get the since he joined the VIP. He's taking. He's banking. He's banking. Grinder. Okay. Grinder. Planet. Joshua. Jose. Yes, I add you. Faith. Okay. Faith is in. Anybody else? Anybody else wants to be in this giveaway? Please let me know. Yeah, on the YouTube, message on the YouTube, guys. Whoever gonna message on the YouTube chat, I'm gonna add you. Okay. Hello all. Yes. Nambi, Nambi, Light 13, right? Is that you? Make sure you subscribe the YouTube channel. If you're not, if you're not in the Discord and if you didn't subscribe that channel, you're probably not gonna be in this giveaway, even though you won't. Sami, I already add you. Heather, I think I already add you, Heather as well. Nazim. All right, Nazim, you're in. Pablo, Pablo Escobar. Hey, the VIP. Heather, I think. Okay, let me add you and then see. Please add. Who's this? Oh, Jin. Of course, buddy. Of course, Jin. Of course. Heather, 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 Heather. Okay. You skipped me by what's Shah Shah Faisal Khan? Is that your name? Baijan, add me to see. Guys, message your name in the chat and look at the draw. Thank you. Thank you. AFX flip strategy again proved its point that this is the most profitable strategy in the world without using any complicated signals, indicators, volume profile, order flow, all this garbage. You don't need it here. All you need is simple price action, wait for your setup, wait for your volume, and enjoy the ride. Thank you very much. What's the strategy? This is the strategy sitting in front of you. I'm the strategy. All right. Who else? Who else? Guys, trading it's simple. Make it simple. Like I don't know why you make it so complicated. Okay, who else? And enjoy the drop. Shah. Okay, Shah. Please add. Don't write. Please add me. Just type your name. Just type your name because you guys have really weird names, weird usernames on the YouTube username. So please write. Just tell me your name. Sees okay. Nakshman. Nakshman. No, by then it sees Nakshman. Yes, you're in. You're in. Pardeep. How come, Pardeep, whenever we do giveaway, you always here, but I never see you message in the chat or like ask any question or do anything. Okay, anybody else? Cam? All right, Cam, you're here. Okay. I think it's more than enough, guys. The entries are price is still dropping. 15, same, 30. This is a, I would say, wonderful start for the week. Amazing start. Peter Parker. Okay. Mm, Peter Parker, you're here. Add break in. Oh yes, definitely. Break in the blocker. AFX. Yes, Izu. What's up? I'm here. Yeah, guys. If you wanna be in this giveaway, you need to message on the YouTube chat. Okay, and write your name. Shelly. Okay, Shelly is here. And this is going to be a quick spin. Okay, so everybody get 10, 15. Kitty, how many seconds should we do? 10 or 15 to message in the Discord? BK, who's BK? All right, let's add BK. BK is Izu. Okay, I was trying it on. Okay, no worries. Oni, who's Oni? Can you add me? No, I cannot. You need to type your name. Harness Nasir. Are you the same Nasir guy with that diaper? Are you the same Nasir guy with that diaper? Please tell me. The diaper boy. Al Albert. And whoever, guys, make sure you be in the Discord, free Discord. If you're not, even though if your name show up, you're not gonna get this. Okay, Albert, Wendy, G. All right. Now join Discord. Yeah. How join Discord? The link is in bio. Nasir, naughty boy. No, Nasir, first you need to tell me, are you the same guy? Even if you that, or should we start spinning, guys? So you guys gonna have, okay, these are the rules. If you are in the this is going to be the 25K lucid giveaway account. If you are in the restricted country, you're not gonna get it. If you have no prior experience with the pro farm, you might not gonna get it. I'm sorry, your was lagging. I didn't hear anything. So Nasir, I was saying, are you the diaper boy? Are you the same guy who message in the chat garbage and then ask for signals? AYS, I think I add you. K9. Yeah, guys, make sure you join the Discord, okay? Free Discord, because if you're not active here, yes, and message in the general chat in the Discord that. So you're gonna have 15. Let me also set the timer, okay? Mm, okay, so everybody's gonna give, because YouTube also lag little bit. So yes, okay, let's set 20, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. So you're gonna have the 15 seconds to message in the Discord. So this is the rule, okay? Your name gonna show up. You're gonna have 15 seconds to message in the Discord after you see your name here on the spin wheel to get that giveaway. If you delayed after 15 seconds, then you won't be able to get that. Then we're gonna spin again for the next person. Asan, how? What do you mean how? You just need to message in the general chat in the Discord. That's it. You see this free Discord? All you have to do is message here. That's it. This is how simple it is. AYS, I'm in Discord too. Okay, no, bro. Okay, then that probably somebody else. AYS K9, I think I added you. Uh, why Breaking is out? Okay, we have a bunch of entries, guys. I wasn't expecting that much. But don't worry, we'll try to do giveaway every single day this week. Let's see, okay? How Discord, how what? If you want to join, the link is in the bio for joining the free Discord. There's not a rocket science. Got it, I'm ready. All right. If you guys, if you're ready, message on the YouTube ready, okay? Or message in the Discord actually. So this is how you know where to message. Message in the Discord general chat here. You see here, everybody message here that ready. So, and you should be quick, 15 seconds. That's all you're gonna get. 15 seconds for this spin. Let's make it more quicker, more faster, and more fun. Okay, BK ready, Nas ready, Amir ready, you ready. Okay, all heads up ready. All right, J ready. K is ready. Bubbly Jubbly is ready. Effect, thank you, Josh, thank you. Price is still dropping, guys. Okay, whole gang is ready. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Okay, then I'm gonna start spinning the wheel. Make sure you until then join the Discord, okay, and message ready in the chat. Be right back. All right, everybody's ready? Ready for the spin? Yes. So you know the rules, okay? So you will get 15 seconds to message in the Discord. Okay, so make sure you be here. All right, anybody else wants to? I think no more entries then. Possibility of the entries now. We're in gold. No, if you snooze, you lose. Okay, so it's going to be the you know first person to win, whoever name show up. 15 seconds. Okay, ready. All right, let's go. And Mr. Nasir, you have 15 seconds to message in the Discord. Maybe, guys, you have another chance for this spin because it looks like. Sorry, what's the which country you're from? Uh, Zambia. Okay, Zambia. Zimbabwe is restricted. Zambia, I think you can trade. Okay. Mm, yes. Have you traded before with the Lucid or any pro firm, Josh? Yes, I have traded with Funded Next. Okay. Yeah, since it's not you're not in the restricted country, I think you can trade with that. So and you also traded with the pro firm. Have you traded with the futures? Didn't Nasir win? No, he messaged too late. Thank you. Yes. Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna send you the account details. All right. So yeah, congratulations, man. Congratulations for this, guys. Don't worry. Don't get disheartened. We're gonna do the giveaway later. Okay. Mm, thank you. No worries. It was lagging. I mean, Joshua also messaged on the time. How come it's lagging? If he messaged on the time, you need to be very, very quick. That's the purpose for this giveaway. You need to be fast, you need to be quick. Send message, yes, you send message, but late after I think 20-30 seconds. Yes, on the top, yes. I was looking at the Discord. I was seeing there, but you late, man. Don't worry, don't get disheartened, man. You can get another one. The YouTube does lag, the TikTok is faster. Yeah, a few people experience lag AFX. YouTube was lagging. Okay, next time I think maybe we're gonna increase the time. Okay, from 20 seconds to maybe 30 seconds. Okay, but this is the Josh. He's the winner. Joshua is the winner. So let me give him account. Congratulations. Yes, I get manipulation on YouTube. Yes, you guys, don't worry. We're gonna do this giveaway later on. Okay, so don't worry about that. But you also make money here on this trade as well. That's even, I think, worth more. Maybe one more. Not tonight. Not tonight. We already done. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe day after tomorrow. Maybe next 5 more days. Every single day. It depends. It depends on the mood. So keep me happy. I'll keep you happy. Do you use any FVG or it is all price action? No, we trade only FVG. Who said we trade cam cam swagged? We use only FVG, man. Who said we use price action? No. What's that? Kitty can explain you, or if Spark in the chat, he will explain you about the FVG we trade here. Spark, are you here in the chat? You wanna explain a AMF? So how can I text you on Discord, please? Just join the Discord. The link is in the bio. Okay. Okay. Appreciate it. No worries, man. You can plan it. So if you want to join the free Discord, the link is in, yeah, my blue page link is in the bio. Okay. Already said it for you. Okay. Yeah, Joshua, make sure you get the flex one and read the rules. If you didn't take any trade with the Lucid or Future Pro Firm, go to their FAQ and read their rules. Okay, don't just waste the account. Oh, it's just a free giveaway, let me waste it, go full port and blow this account on. Because I see people, they pass these giveaway accounts, they take the payouts, and then they use that money, they utilize that money to invest in themselves. Either they get more accounts, they buy more accounts from that, or they get into the VIP or our premium group, right? So use that money for your getaway, like for, like, take it easy, don't just blow it all. Okay. Okay, this hourly is about to close in 4 minutes, and also the 4 hour closure is also coming. So you know exactly what to do here again. Again, I, I explain it to you guys. 15-minute, hourly, 4 hour. You can utilize the same strategy on the lower time frame and the high time frame as well, right? So there is no guesswork, there is no gambling, there's no stress. You know exactly what you're looking at, and you know exactly what you're gonna do with that. So enjoy it, and just say my name. That's it. Can we reach 100K likes tonight? We already hit 92. Let's see. Let's see. Before this hourly closure, can we hit 100K likes in 3 minutes? Is it easy or it's tough for you? 5K likes right now, FX. No. was 105K. Then what happened? My auto tab never turned on. Nimuri spent $5 on the auto tapper, I would say. Meow. Meow. No, not couple people. Maybe you. Oh, you're good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So if yes, if you see the volume, so let's say this is about to close. Wait, let's go to the 4 hour, and the 4 hour is closing below the zone. Again, this is an important one, this 4400. That's why I was keep mentioning since the session we start this session. So this 4 hour closing like this, wait for the next one. It might create some top wick staying below this zone. On the flip of that, then yes, definitely we can look for some sell side and further drop more. But again, volume, if there is volume, then definitely we can see the drop. But if you already, guys, if you already take this trade, if you already up for the session, this is just the beginning of the week. This is just the first session. We still have a lot more to come. We still have New York session to trade together. So don't get too much greedy. I would say, oh no, I need to get another trade. I need to make this much, this much, this much. You probably now think, like, I think probably when you start this session, you might be thinking, I'm just gonna make two, 300, $500 and I'll be out. And most likely you will be up way more than that, because it dropped around 150 ticks from our entry point. So, and if you're up, or let's say even if whatever you think it didn't hit your TP goal, your profit target for the Asian session, just think like that. Is it more important for you to take the risky trade right now when the volume is dry up, to give it all back, and then in the morning then you have to make it back and be on this circle, on this loophole? Or is it fine to just call it a night, lock out your account, and come back when there's enough volume in the market, which is going to be the London session or maybe the New York session, and then work on make more on the profit which you already make in this session. 100K likes FX. Hey, thanks, thank you guys, thank you, appreciate it. Thanks, Nimori. So yeah, so yeah, Kitty, the cells are still valid, but you need to wait for the top pick, which is going to take a while. And then on the flip of that, maybe 2 3 hours later, we can expect the continuation towards downside, 4350s. But the price needs to stay remain below 4400s. If you see, even in the lower time frame, even in the 15, you see it's giving the closure above 4400. Most likely at that point the daily is going to flip, and overall it's going to keep continuing its trend, its momentum towards upside. The trend is still bullish side in the higher time frames. If you open the weeklies, dailies, and monthly, the prices still needs to push towards upside. But this was we taking this because of this session trade. Yeah. pull back. Mm, yeah, yeah, if it gives you a nice top wig and then on the flip of that, then why not? You can, if you want to risk it, yes, you can do it. But I'm saying there are some points where you're like, okay, I'm willing to risk now. And when there are some points where it's like the trade possibility is 50-50%, right? So you need to pick and choose. Is it going to be a good risk, or it's going to be the 50-50% risk where you have the less probability to win? Thank you, FX. Good night, everyone. Hey, Mark, take care, man. Good night. How was your week, Kitty? What you do? Mm. Freedom. Yeah. Mm, nice. Oh, good. Now you have more time. More time to trade as well. Yep. Hmm. Yes, we have CPIs and PPI this week, so let's see. Mm. Yeah, I do. Yeah, it looks like now it will go for, even if this go for wick fill, this is going to be 100 take wick fill. That's not bad though. And further drop. Hmm. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions for the strategy for the trade, ask now. Okay. Because good night. See you tomorrow in the London session. 8 o'clock London. Okay, all right. All right, take care. Bye. Have some sleep. So yeah, the move for the session is basically done. Now what you're gonna see for the next maybe 2 3 hours, this. And trust me, you don't wanna stay in that, you don't wanna stuck in this trade, you don't wanna spend hours and hours and hours and ruin your sleep and your day and your work and your job. No. Once you're done, then that's it. It's one and done. You don't have to take like all this, oh now it might probably gonna push up, let me get into the buys, I'm gonna place the stops here, let me get into the buys, oh wow, I make money. But how many times you're gonna do that? Then you're gonna get more greedy, or let me take a sell here again, or let me take a buy here again and sell here again. And once you hit your first SL, then it will take you, I would say, few milliseconds to be in a tilt, and you're gonna lose all it. And whatever you make in this trade or the new trade you're gonna take, you're gonna all give it back to the market. And now you're sitting, maybe you blow your account or in your drawdown or in a losing streak, and then you're crying, oh why did I do that, you know. So you need to be careful whenever you start having those second thoughts in your mind, or you feel like itching to get the trade. Right now most of the platforms, they come with the lockout feature, so you can lock out yourself for maybe a few hours, maybe until next session when you're taking when you're planning to take trade on the next session. If your platform don't have this feature, just delete the app or just stop watching the charts. Because if you keep looking at the charts, oh I'm just gonna look for other person what he's doing, or I'm just gonna take this buy, or I'm just observing, I'm not gonna take trade. After a few seconds you're gonna find yourself in a trade, because you're like, this looks very good, let me get into the sells, let me get into the buys, you know. So that's why they say it's you versus you, how you control yourself. Because you know nobody is watching you, nobody know like um, what you're doing. So it's you versus you, it's basically fight with your greed, with your fear. And how you can tackle that, it's up to you. Some people it took them a few months, it took them few years, some of them like they didn't even able to control for 10 years. When did you secure partials? What did you secure, what you mean what did you secure? How to do that, how to do what, snapper? Lock out the account, so what platform you're trading with, where to take the partials. Okay, so when the price push down, and if you're up around when you do the break even basically. So let's say if you take this first entry, right, or let's say you're planning to take this flip, this hourly or 4 hour flip. Once this hourly starts pushing down, you're gonna take this sell position, you're placing your stops here or here, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Okay, so where you can take the partials, once this candle gives you this wick, well that's around 100 ticks, 100 ticks and pips. Okay, that's more than enough. At that point you can take your entry, your stop loss at break even. Take like, let's say you sell 10 contracts or 10 lots, you can close 5, you can close 7, you can close 3, it depends on you. Okay, and you can do the break even. Now it's risk free, and the further price drop, the more you can squeeze your profits from the market, you know. So those techniques we trade the same exact way every single day, and you can do the same. And meanwhile this hourly and 4 hour, it looks like it's flipping, but there's not enough volume to get that drop. It might push down, but it's going to take a little long time. 1.5 secure at 50 ticks and point break even. Yes, that's fine. That's absolutely fine. So you close around 70%, 70, 80%. That's good. Guys, make sure you fill up this heart me, okay? Send the heart me if you did not already. Okay. We still need 10 more. And I know you guys can do it. Yeah, usually I call it a night once we're done with the trade. But since you show us some love with hitting the 100K likes, uh, I'm gonna stay a little bit more, just a little bit, okay? But again, if there's volume in the market, then yeah, definitely we're gonna take another setup, but that needs to be with some volume because uh, I've been trading for a while and I collected my data and I know when there is enough volume in the market, my win rate push up from 60, 70, 80%, sometimes 90%. Okay. But when there is less volume, when there's low volume, when the price is ranging, it's not going like it's not creating some volatility in the market, then my win rate drops from 90% to 50-50%. So you need to choose. You either want to trade with the 50-50% win rate or with the 90%, you know. Mr. Bilal is saying 90%. Okay. So what you guys think? I This is question for everybody from the YouTube and TikTok. What you guys think? Do you want to trade when there is 90% win rate or you want to trade when there's 50-50%? Type 1 for the 90%, type 2 for the 50-50%. Then we're going to take the entry on that. Okay, K is saying 90. Okay, 111. Okay, Nambi is 1, Jin is 1, Snapper is 1, Divine is 1. Okay, Okay, almost everybody said one. So if you said one, then why are you looking the entry in the 50-50%? 50% it's risky, 90% it's absolute. Yes, Nabi. Finally. Okay. So what you can do here? Okay. Everybody know, okay, we're waiting for when there's 90% chances. So what we need to do here when there's 50-50% chance for you? This question is for everybody. What should, okay, if I give you two options, one is, man, you're gonna win this trade, there is 90% chances, or there is 50% chances, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna trade when there's 90% chances, but right now the market condition is giving you the 50% one. So what you will do? Just asking. Be honest. Be honest with these answers. Okay, we'll wait for the good setup, log out and come back. I'll wait for the next session. Yeah, wait. Okay. But how long you gonna wait? If the market gonna range for the next 3-4 hours, how long you're willing to wait? Call it a night. Yeah, yes, that's much better. Because even though if you said you're gonna wait for what? You're gonna wait for another entry. How long? The question is, how long have you gonna wait? Because soon enough you're going to ended up taking some random trade if you keep looking at the charts. When people complain, oh man, I do over trading, I know, but I cannot stop myself. Man, just stop looking at the charts. That's how simple it is. Because if you keep looking at the charts, you 100% you're going to ended up in taking the trade, even though you told yourself, okay, I'm gonna wait for this, I'm gonna wait for this, and then you've been waiting for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, okay, fuck it, I'm gonna get in now, I'm gonna make some money, I don't care if I blow my account, I don't care, I'm done with the waiting. Meanwhile, if you come to the next session, you're probably gonna make a lot of money with that, you know. NYSE K. K is very smart. K is one of our smartest person here in the chat. Yeah. She probably making so much money with trading. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Night night. All right, Kitty. Night. Good night. See you in London session, and then in New York, of course. All right. Now, if this hourly or 4 hour give another flip, that might be your entry though. But it looks like it's gonna reject. This hour is gonna close bullish, and maybe from now we're gonna see trend towards upside. Let's see. But you need to wait for this hourly closure at least. And if you want to take the sells and you don't want to wait for the flip of the hourly or 4 hour, the other thing what you can do here, wait for at least the first 15 close bearish. So you see this 15 is about to close in 4 minutes. If the next 15 close bearish and give you something like, let me draw it for you. So for now, okay, price go up and then close something like this. Okay, then you, the first one, on the second one, you can take your entry on the second one and going towards downside, because price push down, it's giving retracement, and then it's rejecting again, and then it's falling again. Okay, so the same strategy you can use at the higher time frame, which is like the 4 hour daily hourlies and 15 as well. So this is about to close 3 minutes. So 15 and 30, same thing. Is gold? Yes, this is gold. Now your next question is going to be, the price of the gold is 43.30. Why you're telling is 43.90? Is that your next question? Yes. So you see here, I said this is gold, but MGC, because we are trading gold futures and we're living in the future and you're in the past. So this is the future price, which you're gonna see maybe in few hours. Hello, hello. Hey, Ozzy, what's up? How you doing? Long time no see, man. Long time no see. Yeah, we're still waiting for some rejection for taking the cells if we see any. Otherwise, call it a night, guys. Call it a night. Okay. Right now we're the 15, 15 just close, pushing still up. Wait for at least the first 15 close bearish. That's the point where you can take for some sell entries. Only if the price stay below 4400. If you see the price touch that and starts pushing up, then I'm done for the night. Okay, I'm telling you in advance. Okay, now the you see the 15 is rejecting or pushing down. You still need to wait for the closure. If you do that, that would be wonderful. Or this hourly flip as well. Okay, let's see. All you have to do is just some patience, just some wait. Wait for the trade to come to you. If you still run behind every trade, man, it's gonna be very, very difficult. Your trading journey, it's going to be not so good. How does the price is higher? What you mean higher? Because we live in future, you live in past. Hello, hello, hello. We are from 2027. Yes, yes, Ozzy, exactly. We are from the future. Back to future. 15 is again trying to flip up. Manipulation on high, guys. There's so much AMF going on right now, so it's better to wait and see, because this is how you're going to learn. You need to observe the price, you need to keep looking at it instead of keep looking for the entry. Oh, let me get in, let me buy, sell. You're not going to learn anything if you're just observing it and see what the price is doing. Let me mark this zone around this. Okay, so now we create this red line. Okay, so you all you have to do is just see what is the price gonna do here. Is it gonna reject here, or is it gonna probe or push up? Because if the 15 reject that and starts pushing down, most likely the price will drop from there. Okay. Very simple, very easy. And you must need to wait for the closures because that's where your confirmations are. You from where, bro? From Pakistan. So yes, the closures are your confirmations for these candles. So if you just cannot wait for those closures and take those early buys or sells, then you have some serious problem. Okay, 5 is rejecting, but we don't take trade on 5. 15 still needs around 9 minutes for the closure. Let's see. Once this 15 gives a starts breaking this previous 15, then yes, you can look for some sell entries. But if it stays here or range and all that, then yeah, we need to wait. Afraid cricket? No, I don't watch cricket, man. Actually, I don't watch any sports. That's such a waste of time. I can't imagine myself wasting hours and hours and hours. Just what? You're not gonna gain anything from that. Yes, if you're playing, that's different, right? You're doing some activity. But just watching it, just looking at, like staring the screen, oh yes, we're winning, oh yes, you're losing. Man, who gives a mm. Quantum, hey, what's up? Yeah, 7 more minutes. Let's see. Yeah, we're saying gold. You're so beautiful. Gold just dropped from here, and we can take another position right here. Yeah, this 15 closure is it's important for taking those cells because at that point, this third is also pushing down, but the more important is this hourly and 4 hour. And whenever there's a first and last hour for the 4 hour, that's where we see some excitement in the market. So, for example, once this 4 hour starts flipping, uh, if you if you're new here and you don't know what I mean by flip, so right now you're seeing the candle is what? It's in green color. So when it changes color from the green towards red side, it's mean it's flipping. So when this green candle changes switch color from green to this red candle and it starts pushing down, you can target taking the cells here, gonna place the stops at this current 4 hour, looking for around this wick field and furthermore to down towards 4355s. So that's still not bad range. It's going to be, so this wick field will give you at least, I would say 90 ticks, and if you be very ideal, then it would be like around 300 ticks, 270 ticks. And to be honest, that's more than enough. Even 50 ticks, that's more than enough. Guys, if you're new here, make sure you follow uh, this beautiful guy. You join the free Discord. You can follow us on the YouTube as well. Okay, because we do this every single day for free. Okay, and if you have any questions about trading, if you're just starting out and you still want to learn, just ask questions here, coming here. I'll try my best to help you out. Okay. It looks like this 15 gonna close very nicely. Meanwhile, so you see, this is what I mean when I say like you need to align the lower time frame with the high time frame. So you see the hourly and 4 hour is flipping. Meanwhile, the 15 is closing bearish as well. So it's showing the signs, okay, the price just rejected from the top and then it's gonna drop further more towards downside as well. Okay. Okay, look at this 15. It so you see, that's why I say marking your zones are very, very important. If you mark it wrongfully, man, you're not gonna get the same entries as I'm doing. So this is the problem where I see most ICT traders like there's FEGs. For some people their FEG here, some people there's mention their FEG at the top, some people FVG here, like all these FVGs are random, so much random, right? And if I would say 10 different people in the, we put them 10 different people in one room and all traded the FVGs and ICTs, right? All these strategies, man, everybody's level is going to be very different. But in our community, in our Discord, in our premium members, all we trade the same exact way, right? If we have no matter 10 people or we have 100 people. Why? Because there's no complicated things. All we use is simple price action. We mark our zones and we exactly know this is where we need to mark and this is where the price most likely gonna reject, and we wait for those flips and confirmations. That's it. Yeah, if this 15 close doji or starts pushing up, I'm gonna call it a night, because then there's no point for me to staying here and wasting my time. And I would expect from you guys the same way. If you're already up for the night, you don't have to take extra trades. Just come back tomorrow New York session with us, and you know we're gonna bank more profit over profit. Again, you're in trading. I know all the other businesses or job or work you do, the the more is good, right? The more you do, the better you become and all that, the more profit you're gonna make in your business. In trading, it's absolutely opposite. So the less you trade, the more money you're gonna make. So the less trades you're gonna take per session or per day, the more money you're gonna keep in your pocket. Most traders, they think, oh, I need to take these more trades, I need to become profitable by taking like all these random trades, buy sell, and then what happened? Whatever they make, they eventually lose it. What is this? Okay. Yeah. So you need to learn how you can control your horses, how you can control your emotions in trading. Because if you put this in your mind, the less is more, man, it will become easy, automatically easy for you. But if you keep looking at all these random people uh, doing live streams and showing off all these things, man, you're always gonna run behind those big bucks, but in the end, you're gonna keep losing it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, this is your time. Yeah, the candle closed bearish though. Okay, this still looks good. If you want to take the entry, you can wait for this current 15 come up again, touch the zone, and then on the flip of that, that's going to be very, very solid sells towards downside. Uh, but I probably gonna call it a night now. It's it's getting little late. Okay. You have any questions, guys? Or you just waiting for the signals? How long have you guys been trading? Okay. Type the if your months, type okay, I trade for 6 months, or if your Indians like I've been trading for 5 years, 10 years, 3 years. I just want to know your guys' experience. Can you type in the chat? How long have you guys been trading? Okay, 1 year. All right. Map trade. Okay. All right. One day. You must be joking, right? 3.5 years or months? Please write the days or months or years so I would know, or weeks, you know. Or 3.5, okay. 3.5 years, okay. Serious. Okay. Well, Khalid, man, if you're just starting 1 day ago, I would say don't start it, man. Don't come to this world. If you, okay, yeah, if you come to our community, that's different because it takes like 3 to 6 months. But if you're planning not to make a single penny and lose whatever you have for the next, I would say 2 3 years, then yes, you can do it. But if you cannot handle that much stress for the next 2 3 years in trading, man, no. Only few months for me, okay. Nice. And fancy pants, only few months. Do you wanna tell the community here, like you just joined the VIP? How is your experience with us? For you, for bro, listen to him. Yes, Khalid. Yes, listen to me, man. My thanks, you enhance my skills. Stay blessed. Thank you, AYS. Alright, guys, the price is just gonna do dodgy dodgy. I'm gonna go eat something and I'm gonna get ready for tomorrow New York session. Treat yourself and your body as athlete. This is like most professional, most smartest persons in the world. They can't even do this, what you guys are doing here. So it's better. Uh, okay, we have somebody. 90. Hey, take care, Nimori. Yes, Mr. Muzaffar. Okay, कोई मसला नहीं, आप उर्दू में बात करो, क्या मसला? Okay. How long have you been trading? कितनी देर से ट्रेड कर रहे हैं? करना भी ना, करना भी ना, ये नंगा कर देगी। नंगा करके ना ये सब कुछ ले लेगी। डोंट डू इट। कोई अगर बोले, डोंट डू इट। यस, डोंट डोंट Don't start trading, man. Don't शुरू ना करना ट्रेडिंग ना इसमें पैसे लगाना ना किसी को पैसे देना. You're gonna lose everything you have. Do something, जॉब करो, कोई और बिजनेस करो. हाँ, बस फिर कुछ और करो. किसी के तरले मिनते करो लेकिन ये ना करो. हाँ, ये मैं भी बता रहा हूँ. ये अब 2 साल बाद, ये अब चलो शौक पूरा कर लो अपना. साल 2 साल 3 साल 10 साल दे दो, फिर पता चलेगा. कुछ नहीं होता. कुछ नहीं होता. हाँ, चलो मैंने बस इतना ही कहना था. ठीक है, ओके, बाकी जो करना करो. हैव फन. You guys don't understand this, how much time it takes, how much you need to spend, how, like, you guys are just okay, I want to just start and start making the money next day. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. But anyways, have fun guys. Good night. I'm gonna see you tomorrow same time in Asian session, okay? And the other premium and VIP members, I'm gonna see you tomorrow as usual in New York session. Okay. Tomorrow is good day. Last Monday was fantastic. So let's see what's tomorrow happen. All right. Take care. Good night.